Photoshop hack. Okay, that's a hack. A hack? Yeah, a hack. So the thing is, first you need to do is some basic adjustments. Like you always do, like to look a little bit pretty. Like when you go outside, you need to do some adjustments to look pretty. So does the photos. So we are done with the basic adjustments, like a little bit of white. I don't want the shadows more. So the things I want, things I don't want, I'm gonna do it. So I just increase the black, decrease the white. Oh, that's look cool. And the color mixer is one of the most important part. That's my favorite because it makes your subject look more popped out, like, and not pop out, but yes, exactly, the pop out. You don't have to crumb the desert like what I'm doing. You don't have to copy that. But the thing is, what looks natural and good to you, like as a photographer or maybe a viewer. So the picture should look attractive. The time you post it, it should look attractive. So we are here. Now the main part is, see, we have to boost the color and the contrast to make your photo like more eye-catching. So we are going to just copy the layer and we're gonna select the subject. It's like it's gonna save a lot of time if you just go to like select and subject and pop. Then your subject is selected and just we're gonna click on the adjustment layer. The adjustment layer is here. Okay, now all you have to do is camera raw filter, go back again. We are going to go back to the thing we actually started. So now my thing is just adjust, like I'm gonna like play with the colors. Like the thing that is happening is just happening to the subject, not to the background. The background won't get affected. So if you want to pop your subject out of the background, so you can use this technique and it's gonna help you a lot of ways. See, I'm like just gonna play around you to do it. A bit of shadows, highlights, then why it looks so good. I'm like saturation and all those stuff, like, and end results is pretty good. So just watch it through. And now what's happening? Click OK. Look, the before and after looks different. Our subject have been popped out. So we're gonna like copy the layer, then we're gonna press Ctrl I to the adjustment layer. Okay, then we're gonna go back again to the camera raw filter. So now we're gonna adjust the background. Adjustment with the background is very important. See, we have to make our subject look more pop out, like more saturated and eye-catching. Like whenever people gonna watch your subject, they have the eye on the subject. Like their background might not distract them, but yes. Okay. I'm gonna play with everything here. Like I'm gonna go with the color and all those stuff. Now I just want some of the light, like backlight. I wasn't using the backlight, so I just put a backlight through the circle. Like you're gonna use the same thing and look, it look beautiful, isn't it? Like before, after, before, after, before, after. You can do with your pictures and can say before, after, before, after. Okay, this is with the subject and the background. See, doesn't it work so well? Why this looks so good? Like it's just a picture right now. I haven't done the retouching yet. If you have any questions, you might ask me in the comment section. And see, it looks pretty good. Now we gonna start the editing again. We're gonna go with the retouching and all. First I'm gonna use the liquify to adjust her body, like the things I need to adjust. It is the second most important part. What we say, important, very important part. Because we have to make our subject pop more. See, we have to make a subject look more attractive, as natural as possible, and we don't have to do overboard. Like, we don't have to do things like overboard, not overboard. Just everything a little bit. Things overboard, but no overboard. But the thing is, you just have to do little things to like little attractive, little better. And yes, now what we're gonna do is the next part. What's the next? Oh, I forgot. That's retouching. Retouching? Not touching? Retouching. You gotta retouch the photo to make it ooh la la. People are gonna say, like, what happened? Like this to this. Oh my god. Wow. So yeah. If you haven't watched the retouching video, you can check that in my description, or maybe you can go to my channel and check out my other videos. I have uploaded the videos regarding retouching and that stuff, and this retouching gets like simply wow, it's like very simple, very easy. Like, you can do your retouching just like in 5 minutes. 5 minutes retouching. Are you serious? No, I'm kidding. No, that's serious. Like, you can do everything in 5 minutes, so just go and check out. Wait a minute, I'm not done yet, because thing is, the important part is coming. When you do the retouching, the end part is very, very, very necessary. See, when I'm done with the retouching and all those stuff, just all you have to do is put them in a folder, yes. Then just go to blacks and increase the reds. You're gonna see all the pimples and all those stuff. Like, when you zoom it, like directly zoom that, go through the faces. I'm gonna use the spot healing tool. You have to like zoom the picture, zoom, yes, zoom in. Then you go see the every pimple, yeah, pimple. So like the spots and the pimples you can remove with the spot healing tool. Like, you can easily see like where are the pimples, where you have to adjust all those stuff. So yeah, when you are done with this, you're gonna look like wow. If it doesn't look wow, you're doing something wrong. Do again. Now see, look. See, it means look. It looks. Oh, now wow. Like the retouching part. I like the retouching part, and I'm gonna like dedicate one video to like how to add what we call texture to the layer. Now the thing is, I'm gonna use the dodge and burn tool because that is important. I'm gonna like highlight the under eyes. Like, we put makeup on, we conceal it, what we do, contour. I'm gonna do the same thing in this. So stop, don't go, don't leave the video, watch it till the end. See, do you also use dodge and burn in the same time you're retouching it? Because I do. I'm gonna like burn the skin down. No, not really burn the skin down, but yeah, like I'm gonna do the burning sensation, like where we put the contour. I put the contour on the cheekbone, the jawline, and other, I don't know, where do you put? You ask yourself. You're putting the contour. That's my wish, because that's my wish, none of your wish. So if it's helpful, the before and after, so please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want any kind of suggestions and any other tutorial, please don't forget to comment down in the comment section. If you have any queries regarding any of the particular thing, I'll tell you everything. We are done here. And now, for now, you gotta look at the before and the after. See what we have done. Magic. You gotta learn the magic, and people are gonna get impressed by your what? Magic.